your girl Ashley, and I'm back to do another video, and I am so excited to be doing this video for you guys. This is going to be my 500 subscriber giveaway. Oh my gosh, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel, who watch all of my videos, who leave comments, and even those of y'all who just view the videos and keep it moving. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. It honestly means so much to me to know that there's so many of you out there who enjoy my videos and love to watch me do whatever the hell I'm doing on my channel. It honestly means the most to me, so thank you guys so much. And to show you guys how grateful and how thankful I am, I decided that go ahead and do my 500 subscriber giveaway. Now this giveaway is going to be open worldwide, so if you live in the States, if you live in Brazil, if you live in Jamaica, if you live in the UK, you can enter this giveaway. So what I'm going to be giving away is a $50 gift card to the place of your choice, just because I know there are some guys who watch my channel, and what if they win? I'm sure they're not going to want a makeup gift card. So I'm going to give away a $50 gift card to wherever you want. So it could be to MAC, to Sephora, to Amazon, to Bath and Body Works, to wherever you want it to be. And I will send that out to you guys so you guys can, buy whatever you guys want to buy. So to enter this giveaway, all you got to do is make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button, and also follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave my name right here, but it is LaydeeClarke. So follow me on Instagram and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment down below what $50 gift card you would want to win, as well as your Instagram name, so I can make sure that you've also followed me on Instagram. So right, again, only 3 rules. Number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. And number 3, comment down below what $50 gift card you would like to win, and also leave your Instagram name so I can make sure you follow me on Instagram. It is super simple. I will also leave it in the description box if you guys are confused. So yes, I will leave the contest open up until January 5th though. Yes, I'm so excited to have surpassed 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I actually had a goal to make it to 500 subscribers before Christmas, and I made it way before Christmas. I don't even remember the exact date, but it's before Christmas, so I'm so happy about that. My next goal is to hopefully reach 1,000 subscribers by Valentine's Day, and for sure I'm gonna have another giveaway once I get to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join into my channel. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in up until this point, and I will see you guys in my next video. Good luck.